As winter sets in, our hair faces its toughest challenge: dryness and frizz. Welcome to our guide on winter hair care, specifically tailored for those with beautiful long and curly hair. For women with long and curly hair, moisture loss can dull your shine and weaken each strand, leading to frizz and breakage. To combat dryness, deep oil massages twice a week are highly recommended. These massages can nourish your roots, stimulate growth, and most importantly, lock in essential hydration, keeping your hair healthy and strong.
It's also crucial to switch to a rich conditioner that provides intense moisture and a light serum to seal the cuticles. This combination will keep your curls bouncy, defined, and frizz-free, even in the driest winter air. Protect your hair from the harsh cold and dry winter air. Cover up your hair when outdoors, stay gentle with styling, and let your curls breathe indoors to prevent breakage and damage. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your long, curly hair remains vibrant and healthy throughout the winter. This winter, love your curls. Nourish, protect, and let them shine, because beautiful hair begins with care.